Number 4, which is the definition of a line segment? Now, before I look at the words, remember a line segment is just a portion of a line. It has endpoints. All right, so A says a line segment consists of 2 points and all the points in between. That sounds like a pretty good answer. That's probably going to be it, but let's check the rest. A line segment is a set of points that extends infinitely far in one direction. Y'all, that is not a line segment. That is called a ray. For C, it says a line segment is a set of points that extends infinitely far in both directions. That's an actual line. A line extends forever in both directions. And then D says a line segment is a set of points in a plane that are equidistant from a given point. So if you think about being equidistant from a given point, this is a rough drawing, but that's actually a circle. That's the definition of a circle. So it is A. That one is a line segment.